Hi.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, you don't have one yet? It's my favorite accessory.
That's so cool.
And the coolest part is that you can program it directly from your phone.
Wait, programming? Isn't that really hard?
No, it's really easy on the imagiLabs app.
Wait, can you show me?
Sure, I can show you one of my last projects. It's a game. Okay, I will show you the first letter and then how many letters there are. Here. The first one starts with a P and it has 5 letters. It's also my favorite food.
Oh, that's easy. Pizza.
Yes, and the second one starts with an F and it has 6 letters and it's also a country I want to visit.
France?
Oh, you know me so well! Now is the task for you and all imagi-coders. The task for day 24 of the 30 Days of Code challenge. To program a game, as I did, and share it on the community so that we can participate and see. I had so much fun.
Me too. I'll download the app right now.
Great, and I'll go chat with imagi-coders on Discord.
Bye
and good luck.